Osmo Action GPS Bluetooth remote controller connects to the Osmo Action camera via Bluetooth. You can control the camera to capture footage using the remote controller. The built-in satellite positioning module enables users to record accurate data in motion. The remote controller supports single camera and multi-camera control modes so that users can shoot with up to 16 cameras simultaneously. After the remote controller is powered on for the first time, it enters single camera control mode by default. The camera automatically searches for the camera and starts the linking process. The verification code for the connection between the remote controller and the camera is displayed in the top left corner of the remote controller. Power on the camera and place it close to the remote controller. Follow the prompts on the camera screen to link the devices. Upon successful linking, the upper left corner of the remote controller screen displays either the remaining number of photos or the video duration that can be taken or recorded according to the current shooting mode. To relink the camera, press and hold the link button on the right side. Press and hold the quick switch button and linking button for 4 seconds to forget the Bluetooth connection and start linking in single camera control mode. Linking in multi-camera control mode. Press and hold the shutter record and linking buttons for 4 seconds to switch into multi-camera control mode. When powered on, the remote controller automatically searches for and connects to any Osmo Action cameras that are near. Follow the prompts on the camera screen to link the devices. During linking, the status LED of the remote controller will blink blue. When linked with the camera, press the quick switch button once to switch between shooting modes. The available shooting modes are consistent with the settings in the camera. After opening the USB-C protective cover on the remote controller, connect the remote controller to a charger via the USB-C port. When charging is complete, close the USB-C port cover. When used with the remote controller, the video will record the fitness data accurately. After shooting, connect the camera to the DJI Mimo app. Tap the album icon on the home page, and then select the video footage captured during sports. In the bottom menu, tap the dashboard to add real-time fitness data such as speed, direction, route, total distance, and elevation to enrich the video in a visual format. For different sports scenarios, the recorded fitness data will automatically be displayed in the video. You can also manually select different data stickers to add to the video. The video with the visualized fitness data included can be exported. The Bluetooth remote controller comes with 2 types of wrist straps to suit different usage scenarios. You can fix the remote controller to the wrist using the long wrist strap. And fix the remote controller to the bicycle handlebar using the short wrist strap. Remove the buckle from the hole of the long wrist strap. Adjust the position of the remote controller on the wrist strap until one end of the strap slot reaches the raised surface. Thread the buckle through the hole on the short wrist strap.